Today I am going to discuss with you how to solve two past paper questions under projectile motion. For that I have selected first question in 2013 and 2014 past papers. If you have not watched the theory video regarding projectile motion, it's better to go and watch the theory first. A particle is projected under gravity from a point O with a speed u at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. Let h be the vertical distance of the particle above the level of O when it has travelled a distance k horizontally. Show that root 3k equals h plus 2g k squared over u squared. So I can draw my projectile starting from O with an initial velocity u, which is making an angle 60 degrees to horizontal. Then I have marked another point A on this projectile motion. Vertical height from the level of O to my point A is h. Horizontal distance from O to point A is k. Then in this equation what we have to prove contains k, h, u and g. K, h, u are given in the question itself. G is the gravitational acceleration. So using linear equations of motion, I have to prove this statement. I can apply linear equations from O to A, but we don't know the final velocity of this motion at point A. That means we don't know v. So I can't use v equals u plus at, v squared equals u squared plus 2as, s equals u plus v over 2 into t. The only equation I can apply is s equals ut plus half at squared. So first I am going to apply that horizontally from O to A. Horizontal displacement is k. Horizontal component of the initial velocity is u cos 60 into t. T is the time which I am going to take for the particle to travel from O to A. Then I can subject t as 2k over u. Then I am going to apply the same equation now vertically upwards from O to A. Vertical displacement is h. Then vertical component of the initial velocity is u sin 60 into time is the same time as the previous substitution, simple t, plus half. Gravity is acting vertically downwards, then I have to substitute minus g here into t squared. After the simplification, I will get h equals root 3k minus 2g k squared over u squared. From equation 1, I have substituted 2k over u instead of t. Then when I rearrange this equation, I will get the statement they are asking from the question. Root 3k equals h plus 2g k squared over u squared. That means first you have to identify what are the variables in the statement and are they given in the question, and what are the other variables which we don't know according to the information given. Then we have to identify what is the most suitable equation we can apply. particle is projected under gravity with speed u in a direction making an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. From a point O on a horizontal ground towards a vertical wall of height A, which is at a horizontal distance 2a from O. Show that if u is greater than 2 square root ga, then the particle will go over the wall. The projectile motion is starting from point O with an initial velocity u, making 45 degrees to horizontal, and there is a wall which is 2a distance away from O, and the height of the wall is a. Then I have marked the wall in the projectile motion and labeled the topmost point of the wall as capital A. Then we have to show this particle will go over the wall if this initial velocity u is greater than 2 times square root ga. Similar to previous example we have discussed, here also we don't know the final velocity of the motion at point A. So the only equation we can apply is s equals ut plus half at squared. When I apply that horizontally from O to A, horizontal displacement from O to A is 2a. Velocity component to horizontal is u cos 45 into t. T is the time of this motion from O to A. After simplifying that, we can get t as 2 root 2 a over u. I label that as equation 1, and going to apply s equals ut plus half at squared vertically upwards from O to A. Then vertical displacement is a. Vertical component of the velocity is u sine 60 into time is simple t plus half into gravitational acceleration is acting downwards, but here we are applying our equation upwards, so I have to substitute minus g into t squared. Then I can substitute 2 root 2 a over u instead of t. After simplification, I can get u squared equals 4ga. Here I have cancelled a in both sides. Then you have to mention a is not equals to 0. Then only I can cancel a in both sides, because a is a length, it cannot be 0. Then after taking square root in both sides, I get u as 2 into square root ga. When we take square root in both sides, we get both positive and negative answers for u, but u is a positive value, it is a velocity. That's why I have taken only the positive answer here. A is the topmost point of the wall. If the particle is reaching that topmost point when our initial velocity is equal to 2 times square root ga, after that I can state if that velocity is greater than that amount, definitely projectile will go over point A, that means go over the wall. Therefore, if u is greater than 2 times square root ga, then the particle will definitely go over the wall. If you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, you may comment us.